How to transfer money from your Temu account to Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to transfer money from your Temu account to Cash App. First of all, open Temu application on your mobile device and wait for it to load. At bottom of the screen, you will see various options like Home, Categories, View and Card. Select U icon at bottom center of the screen. Now on this section, you have to click on credits and free gifts. After that, you will notice a variety of options such as 5 free gifts, redeem cash, fees land and more. To proceed, you have to select the redeem cash. While Temu allows you to earn cash through activities like spinning the wheel or referring friends, when it comes to redeeming this money, you will notice there is currently not only one option available, that is transferring funds via PayPal. Unfortunately, Temu does not support direct transfers to Cash App. To transfer money from your Temu account to Cash App, you will first need to send the funds to your PayPal account. Once the money is in PayPal, you can then transfer it to your Cash App account. And that's how you can successfully transfer money from Temu to Cash App using PayPal as an intermediary. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.